Can you use Christmas or the holiday season to do more dentistry? Let's find out. Hey everyone, Angus Pryor here with Marketing Monday, the weekly show designed to boost the marketing at your dental practice. Now, of course, we're only a few weeks away from Christmas. I know not everybody celebrates it, and maybe so it's Christmas or holiday season, but the question is, can we use that to do more dentistry? And the answer is yes, because if you can't, this is going to be the shortest video ever. So I want to give you 3 ways, and there are many, but here's 3 ways that you could use this time of year to do more dentistry. The first one, which for me is an absolute no-brainer, and it's whitening. Oops, just changed my whiteboard marker. Is that coming through? Yeah, not bad. Okay, so how the heck are we going to use Christmas to do more whitening? Well, what I would recommend you do, it's a very simple thing to do, is every patient who you know is coming to see you in the next few weeks before Christmas, give them a call before they come in and say, look, just wanted to let you know we've got a special pre-Christmas, because a lot of people have been saying to us that they want to have their teeth looking great for those Christmas photos, family photos, holiday photos. So we've got a special where if you come, you know, you're already coming to see us anyway, then get whitening done while you're here, and here's the offer. So as long as you're delivering it to them as a service, it's something that people have mentioned to us, and just as, you know, a courtesy to you, we want to let you know, it doesn't come across as being too pushy. In fact, if it were me and I'm going to see the dentist and they call and say, hey, look, a lot of people have been asking to get their teeth looking great for photos. And by the way, we've got this offer. Do you want to do that while you come in? The worst thing they're going to say is no. But for a bunch of people, they say, yeah, that'd be good. Actually, I would like to have my teeth looking a bit better for the photos. So that's point number 1. Point number 2, use it or lose it. This is not true everywhere, but certainly in many instances, if you've got clients that have health funds, and let's face it, we almost all do, then some kind of message to your clients that says, if you don't use the allowance for dental that is included in your private health insurance, then if you don't use it by the end of the year, you're going to lose it. Now, many private health funds it's either a dollar amount, or they say you can have 2 visits a year, or whatever the case is. So this is a great way, because it's not Christmas specifically, but it is by the end of the year. So you can send it, again, it's sort of a courtesy. It's send it out as an email or as part of your newsletter, or maybe a text message, whatever it is. It's a courtesy, just letting you know, your health fund may have this situation, and if you don't use it, you'll lose it. The other one that we can use at this time of year, and I admit you've got to get your skates on if you want to do this, is a referral system. Now, I like running a referral system for our clients all the time, but the one thing that you can do at this time of year, and a few of our clients have done this very successfully, is they will have something that's a perfect kind of Christmas gift as what somebody can win by referring. So you could do a refer and get, and you could say, hey, just letting you know, we've got this referral system. We really appreciate you as our client. And we really love it when you refer people to us. And for every person that you refer between now and Christmas, we'll give you, and it might be I don't know whether it's a gift card or whatever the case may be, or you can put together, say, will you go in the draw to win? And in that case, you could either go for something like a Christmas hamper, and I would just get a sort of a gift box and fill it up with, I don't know, wine and chocolates and maybe gift cards and basically whatever kind of holiday luxury items you can put in there, and then they just win that. And I would put that on the reception counter so that people are seeing that. Or indeed, we've had other clients that have given away like an iPhone, or someone gave away a laptop, and it was drawn on the 24th of December. So that for somebody is the most awesome Christmas gift. So that's just 3 ways you could use the Christmas holiday season to do more dentistry. Whitening. Call up your people, offer it as a service, mention that link to getting the photos done. Use it or lose it, again, as a service, just letting you know this is the situation. Did you want to book something in? And then some kind of referral system where they either get for referring something kind of Christmassy related, or they've got a chance to win by that. Hope that helps. Catch you next time on Marketing Monday.